Okay, if you're one of those people who always say, oh, I don't have time to learn that, girl, boy, whoever you are, this is for you. Welcome to my new series, Tutorials in Less Than 10 Minutes, where I show you how to get things done without the fluff, okay? No time for over talking and oversharing. We're getting straight to the point here. If you're new here, my name is Monique D, and I spent over 10 years in radio and television helping your favorite celebrities, NFL players, public figures, radio figures, companies, all the things you could think of, get their stuff together. So I'm here to help y'all get y'all stuff together too, okay? In little 10-minute segments, okay? So go ahead and subscribe, and let's jump into this episode. In this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to take any color palette that you've seen online that you love and just you're obsessed with and apply it to all your Canva templates seamlessly in seconds, okay? Now, why is this important? Because I've had a lot of clients come to me for like web design, or they're starting their brand and they're trying to get all their branding stuff together. And they're like, oh, Mo, I love this like color palette, but I don't know the hex codes. And if you don't know what the hex codes are, this is what they are. It's basically the little number symbol with the different like numbers and letters and stuff in the code. So most of the times they do not know. They have a vision, but it's just a very rough draft of a vision, and they're trying to get their colors and everything together in order for their branding to make sense. And they leave it up to me to go try to figure out what exact color each color is. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to make your life so much easier. If you are a brand strategist or you're doing your branding yourself, this is perfect for you. I know I talk heavy on being your authentic self and just posting as is on here, and that is 1,000% what you should be doing. But if you have a website, let's keep it cute. Okay, let's make sure that the branding makes sense. Let's make sure that the colors invoke the emotions that you are trying to get out of your potential clients, and make sure everything's on point. A lot of people don't pay attention to that part, or they pick colors that they like, which is fine. They just pick their favorite colors to be their brand colors. Totally fine. Whatever you decide to do, I'm going to show you guys how to do it today. Way, way, way easier. Okay, I'm going to make your life easier. So go ahead and open up your Canva account, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, you guys, so to start, you want to go to Google, Pinterest, wherever it is that you find your color palettes. Go to your golden spot for color palettes. I'm going to go to Google for the sake of this video because we all love a good Google search, and type in earth tone color palettes. I am choosing that because I love earth tone colors, and that is really the only reason. Then you want to click on images, and it'll take you here. And just go ahead and scroll down, find whatever it is that you want to, what color scheme you want to go ahead and snatch. I'm going to choose this one, okay? And from here, you want to right click it or double click it and click, let's see, copy image. You want to tap copy image, and then you want to go over to Canva. So you want to go into your Canva account and scroll down and choose whatever template it is that you want to edit. For the sake of this video, I'm going to choose this random logo, and we will use this stock photo, okay? The stock logo. And from here, you want to go ahead and copy and paste your color palette. So Control V, Command V, whatever works for your computer. And I know this looks insane, but hear me out. Go ahead and tap on the color palette and get into the settings and click Apply Colors to Page. And boom. You automatically have this color palette on your template. Now, I'm going to show you guys, because as you can see, there's some green in there, some other stuff that is not included in the photo. I'm going to show you guys, and you can delete from there, you can delete the color palette, but I'm going to show you guys how to get the entire color palette, each hex code that you can use for future projects, and save it to your Canva, okay? So from here, you want to go ahead and go to canva.com/colors, and it'll bring you here. And once you are here, you want to scroll down to where you see color palette generator, and it says upload a photo, and we'll use the hues to create your palette. So go ahead and hit that and tap upload an image, and you should have saved. Go ahead and save the image. If you didn't save the image from before, go ahead and save it to your computer and upload it here. And y'all, this is about to be crazy. Boom. It automatically gets every single hex code from this palette for you. And there you go. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that hack. Comment down below if you did. If you knew that hack already, comment down below and let me know that too. Don't lie, y'all. If you really didn't know, don't act like you knew, okay? But I hope it helps. I think it's a really good way to make the branding process easier. A lot of people put so much emphasis on trying to get the perfect colors, or, you know, just all the things. And there are tips and tricks that can just make your life a little bit easier. So I'm here to help with that. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's something that you guys want to learn, comment down below, because I really want to know where to take this series and if it's even worth continuing. Are you guys getting something out of this? Let me know. All right. Other than that, I will see y'all in the next video. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.